Hi everyone, this is the screencast video for my entire capstone project for my Master's in Science and Software Development at Grand Canyon University. My name is Beatriz Zamora. Like mentioned before, I did split this into two sections. So this is the fitness application website. So it just explains all the benefits and you're able to join through that page or request information. Afterwards, it'll be linked to this fitness application, which is the actual fitness application that has all the features described in the project. This one's still being built. This is meant to be an ongoing project for me. So I'm just going to be building on top of what I have built so far in different phases because it's so large. But let's go ahead and show what we have so far. We can go ahead and get started with the website. I went ahead and already opened it up through a local host. Let's go ahead and follow that link. So PAT Performance Project, Performance Enhancement Project. As you can see, when you make it smaller, you can go ahead and click on the navigation bar here. It creates this little icon so that you can click on it. It doesn't take over the entire screen. So this will actually display very well on a phone screen as well. And as you get bigger on the web page, it'll display up here. It has, so in the code, this index page, this app page, would be our entry point for this web page. It includes the nav bar at the very top. This is the nav bar. It includes our home, our benefits, our training, our contact. I can go through the entire code, but I only have 15 minutes. Our benefits page, we can go to our benefits page to explain what's going on here. We better be going here into the index. For example, this holds the paragraph that's included in here. We also have different pictures throughout the website being displayed. I'm trying to find where it displays it so I can show you where it's coming from. They're all coming from this folder here called Assets. This is where I have all the pictures. But see how it says image here? This includes the picture benefits page graphic. And the source is trainer portrait. Trainer portrait. And that's throughout the entire web page. That's how we are able to include these pictures in here. The icons are from Hero Icons. And we were able to import that as well through I think it's in our homepage index. No, this is our benefits page, so it should be in our benefits page. See, import the home modern icon, user group icon, academic caption, for all from Hero Icon. And then the trainer portrait, which is this one right here. We have to import all of that into our pages so that we are able to use them within each page. We have buttons throughout as well. I'm trying to find one so I can show you. We have different text throughout the entire web page. As you can see, this is where we can put the paragraphs. Motion div that allows us to be able to move up and down throughout the website. Let's see. Trying to find a button code. There it is. Okay, it's a button. So action button, join now. That would be, this one's actually, again, it's in our benefits page. So it would be this section right here. It would be this button. So you click on it and it takes you to our contact us page. Okay. So again, let's continue. Trying to go through this as fast as possible. We have our footer. Our footer would be down here, and it just includes this information in here. Let's see. Okay, we went through benefits. We included that in here. We have, sorry, benefits. This is actually displaying those icons that I mentioned. See, the border is rounded. It's just a styling. That's these boxes. See, the corners are rounded. Contact us page. This is our contact us page. You're able to enter information. So let's say I enter my name. We can enter an email code. Oh, like hi@gmail.com. That's my email. We want to send this information to the trainer. This information will actually go to the trainer through this form here. You can see right here. This is the link created for the form. It's actually linked to the main trainer's email. So we can put hello, submit. Thanks, the form was submitted successfully, returned to the original site. So that was actually sent to them. So we're not going to be able to see that, but I tested it with the trainer and he did receive it in the past. So that's on here, and let's see what else. Also, if you don't include a proper Gmail, just put something in here. It'll show the invalid email address. As you can't just put in anything random. It has to be in the proper email format. I want to be able to show you where I have that action. Okay, so there's the placeholder for the name. There's the placeholder for the email. So if true, it goes on, but if not, then it'll display the field is, well, let's see, invalid email. There it is. You can enter your text message, this section right here, and then the button to submit. And there, contact us page graphic. This is this graphic right here. We went through the index, the nav bar. This is our nav bar, obviously that's displaying up here. And then it moves on to the main page. There's our action buttons. All of these takes us to the contact us. See how there's an anchor link, contact us, select the page, contact us. This here is our anchor link. Anchor link allows us to move to different pages. Okay. Okay, so that's this page. Just wanted to show you. Again, if you look at the PowerPoint screencast, it'll show you exactly all of the functions in here and how you can move through it. Okay, next we have the application. This is the actual application. I already brought it up in here, so we don't have to wait for that. But for the application, again, we have various pages where we can move throughout the application. Index is the main entry point. We are using React Native. We use GraphQL from an Apollo client to be able to access queries and import data into a cloud database. This is the setup for the query for the food log. Let's see, Vidima is just a placeholder. That's just the user ID that we're using to be able to load data for. If it fails to find anything, it'll display failed to fetch data. The navigation options are displayed on here. And again, href includes the link to the actual page that we're moving to. Then we have the navigation button display. We have what's displayed on the main page, which is welcome, and then our menu. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and show you just a portion of the application in action based on the code that we wrote. If you look at the PowerPoint screencast video, it'll also show you, explain some of the options here. We'll go a little bit more in depth right now. We don't have a lot of time, so I just want to kind of show you like the message option, how we're able to message the trainer, and it'll actually bring up your email. So let's say hello, please let's set up some time to train, and then it'll send the email. It'll actually bring up your own email, and then it'll be able to send the email to your trainer. These are dummy emails again. You can delete them. We're working on being able to upload any emails that come in from your trainer. The workout section, again, if you will have a list of workout videos that you're able to click on, and it'll actually take you to the YouTube video. Just wanted to show you that while that loads. I want to show you the other options as well, such as, see, there you go.
Check this out.
Uploaded. Progress, you can go ahead and enter your weight on here. For example, 160 on 4 second, and then 180 on 416. Actually, gain weight. So it'll show the graph on your progress. Nutrition, this is actually how we search food. Not sure if I showed this on the original screencast, but let's say we search for potato, search, and it'll include everything that has potato in it. And you can see the calories. It also displays that when you click on the plus sign. It'll go ahead and add it to your today's food list. That's the flat list that's being displayed in here under nutrition. Right here. Okay, let's go back. Community is under construction. That's the social media page that we're creating. Daily challenges, you're able to add those daily challenges on here. Plank from a drop down. And let's select all of them. Once you select all of them, it should display no more challenges available to add. You can go ahead and see that on here. No more challenges available to add. Okay. You can also delete those. Okay, let me show you the things to do. This is the to-do list. You can add challenges like, let's say, run 30 miles, 30 minutes. And we can also do push-ups, and you can cross them out whenever you're done. Delete. That's in our to-do list. We're able to see it has a delete button. It displays once we add the items. All right, next is our training checklist. That one is under construction. It'll include a form that you can submit to your personal trainer, giving him information that he needs from you. Same thing with photo progress. This one's under construction. This will be able to use your camera, and you'll be able to take pictures and keep track of your progress um, through pictures. Calendar, you're able to schedule things on your calendar. So on the 16th, we can put schedule item, session with trainer at 4 p.m. Oops, at 4 p.m. Save, and it'll display right here under scheduled items. Lastly, our step tracker will also connect to an API that will keep track of the steps that you take daily. That's it so far for our application. It is a pretty large project. So again, this will be deployed in different phases, but this is what we have so far, and this is what I have created for our capstone project. Thank you.